Hi everyone. Welcome back to Japan in your pocket. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Japanese language. We'll explore the three main scripts, Hiragana, katakana, and Kanji, and how they're learned in Japan. Plus, we'll share tips for foreigners to learn Japanese efficiently. Let's get started. One. Hiragana. Hiragana. Let's start with Hiragana. Hiragana is the first script that Japanese children learn in elementary school. It's the foundation of the language, used for grammar and simple words. For example, they practice writing words like neko, neko, meaning cat, or yama, yama, meaning mountain. For foreigners, mastering hiragana first is essential. It's phonetic, so once you know the characters, you can start reading and pronouncing Japanese words immediately. Two. Katakana. Katakana. Next is katakana. Japanese students usually learn katakana after they're comfortable with hiragana, typically in the first or second grade. Katakana is used for foreign words, scientific terms, and onomatopoeia, like banana, banana, or dokidoki, doki-doki, meaning heart-pounding. For learners, focusing on katakana after mastering hiragana helps you read imported words and recognize them in everyday life. Three. Kanji. Kanji. Now, let's talk about kanji. Japanese students start learning kanji from the first grade and continue throughout high school. In total, they learn about 2,136 Joyo kanji, the official set for daily use. For example, first graders learn simple kanji like shan, yama, mountain, and shuan, kawa, river, while older students tackle more complex characters. For foreigners, kanji can be intimidating. The key is to start with basic, frequently used characters and focus on their meanings and pronunciations. Apps like Anki or Wanikani are excellent tools to help you memorize them efficiently. Step 1. Learn hiragana and katakana first. Focus on learning the two phonetic scripts first. They are the building blocks for understanding Japanese, and you'll be able to read simple sentences in no time. Step 2. Use flashcards for kanji. For kanji, break it into small chunks. Start with the most common 100 kanji, then gradually expand. Flashcards and spaced repetition apps are lifesavers. Step 3. Practice with real content. Immerse yourself in real-world Japanese, children's books, signs, or even subtitles on anime. The more you practice, the faster you'll improve. So, to recap, Japanese children learn hiragana first, then katakana, and gradually master kanji through school. For foreigners, the best approach is to start with the phonetic scripts, use spaced repetition for kanji, and immerse yourself in real Japanese content. If you're excited to start your journey with Japanese, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. In our next video, we'll teach you 10 essential Japanese phrases for beginners. See you soon, and as always, arigato for watching.